Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the different types of keyboards for a text field or any type of field where you have to type in letters and things. So I'll just call this different types of keyboard, and you'd actually be surprised of how many different types of keyboards there are. So they're all in a big list, so let me just set up the project to do it. All I'm going to do is drag in a text field, and I'll just place it in the center of the screen. Let me give it two constraints, one on either side. Oh, not that one. These two. Okay, so now we actually have it. And where are the keyboards I'm talking about? A keyboard type. So yeah, these are the different types of keyboards, and you also have dark keyboard look. That's just light mode or dark mode. So I prefer changing it from here rather than code, but you know, it doesn't really matter. So I'll just go through the basic ones and show you guys what they do. So first of all, let me run it, and I'll just show you guys the default one, which is pretty simple. It's just like a normal iOS keyboard, nothing special. And yeah, right, so if I click on this and bring up the keyboard, you can see it's just a normal sort of keyboard, and you can use emojis and things like that, numbers, any sort of symbol really. And yeah, so wait, let me try and get a symbol. There we go. So yeah, you can use symbols. And now let me use a different type of keyboard. So if you go to keyboard type, the ASCII capable, I think that's a number pad with the letters on it. I've never actually been sure how you use them. Oh no, this is just the regular keyboard, except you'll notice it doesn't actually have any emojis, since this is the letters and numbers which can be converted into ASCII, which is an encoding type. So yeah, this is if you want to sort of send stuff to the cloud, and it's going to be using different platforms. I'd use this keyboard. So then what you also want to do, the number pad one is another one, but I'm not really sure what the difference is between the number pad and the phone pad, so let's check. I think the phone pad has the hashtag and things like that. So number pad only has numbers, and then phone pad has things like hashtags and pluses and things like that. Yeah, so yeah, that's why. So yeah, that's the difference. Obviously, if you're making a phone call, then you'd obviously want to use the phone pad. But otherwise, if you just need numbers, go for the number pad. Then email address. This is where it has the .com and the @ and all at the front page of the home screen. See there, and then dot. So yeah, usually you'd have to go in here to find these letters, but now they're all down here. So yeah, that's useful for sending email addresses. Then decimal, Twitter, and all of these. ASCII cable number pad, I don't really see why I'd use this, because regular number pad, ASCII can convert all numbers to, you know, encoding, but you know. And then what is Twitter? I'm not sure. I don't really use Twitter, so that might be why. But let's see. Well, maybe it just has a different layout or something like that. There's a hashtag. Yeah, okay, @ and hashtag. Yeah, that makes sense. So this could actually just be social media, not just Twitter in general. But I've already shown email address, numbers and punctuation. That's kind of self-explanatory. What is web search? Because a lot of these I've never used before, since you just never use them except if it's really specific. But this just has no emoji. Oh, it does have emojis. Okay. The voice activated thing, that's good, makes sense. And then the go. Okay, so instead of like return, it's just go. So yeah, that makes sense. And yeah, so all of these keyboard types are just really useful for just you know, just if you have a sort of type of data you want to be inputted, you can just select one of these keyboard types, and it'll just let you input the type of data. I think URL has slashes and yeah, .com and things, so you could use this for web search, but I just use web search. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye. Oh, also, comment down below if you wanted me to start making Python videos, since those could be useful as well. So yeah, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!